When I came here and you told me like that it's gonna be good and you just have to wait and I felt like this guy knows of cooking, this guy loves food, so
Yeah.
I trust it, it's gonna be great. So
Getting 2 kilos of that for beef stew. And the beef stew. How's the food?
You're the greatest joy in our life.
Nah, this is good. Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Merci.
Yeah. Merci. Greetings, my beautiful people. Greetings wherever you are in this beautiful life, in this beautiful world that we live in. And special greetings to my 546 subscribers. Yes, we're still in Finland. Today I'm making food for friends and family and we're gonna share and enjoy together. I'm gonna go shopping. I'm gonna meet up with Chef Leo, my sous chef Leo. He's gonna show me around. He's gonna take me to the stores where I can get some meat, some spices, some rice, and I have an idea what I wanna cook, but I'm not sure yet what I wanna cook. So I don't know what the menu is gonna be like, but let's see what's gonna come out. Stay tuned, man. Sengo's Kitchen, here we go. I got my sous chef with me, so here we go. There he is, Mr. Leopardo. Say hi. Hey, the sous chef himself. We just linked up with the sous chef. We're gonna get some food and get back home and cook. Oh, okay. Put it on the pizza. All right, now we're off to go get some meat. Yes, there's a market right here, right around the corner. And it's like an international market. So they have, I want to also grab some seasoning to make. So we don't know what's in the menu yet, depending on what we're gonna find at the market. Then I'm gonna decide the menu. I think there's about a couple of people coming through. I don't know how many, but
About 5.
about 5. Let's say about 5 people on.
Actually, all the guys who are in the little house.
It's called Alania Market. Wow. Getting 2 kilos of that for beef stew. We're gonna make some beef stew. And you have goat meat or this is lamb? Lamb or goat? Oh, this is lamb. Oh, okay. I'm over here. Yes. Hey, I'm over here to market. Go ahead. So sorry. Lovely. What are you saying? Alanya Market. Very nice people. Yes. If you're in Tampere, you come to Tampere in Finland, please make sure you visit. Halal meat. Good for everything. Yes. Make sure you stop here. Yeah. Fresh.
Habibi, come to Tampere, Alanya Market.
Alanya Market. Make sure you stop here, man. Seriously, they have good things. Look over here. I say I'm gonna come. Look how fresh the meat is, man. Look. And then on top of all that, very good people, very good spirit, very good people. Look, fresh. And they have lamb too. Looking for spices. And the other store, it's the same store, but this is like the side where they sell spices on and stuff like that. Here we go. This is what I want. I gotta look for some spices. Check which one I want now. So I have my sous chef here. You there? Alright, look at us. Hands are full of stuff. Look a little. Hands are full. Now, last stop. We're going to the Asian market right here. We're gonna get some tilapia, some fish, and get some chapati I go home and start cooking. Yuca, songo, cassava. Chapati. Oh yes, chapati. This is fine. Thank you. Hey, where do you look for the bus, man? Over there?
Here.
You sure?
We're going here.
I don't trust you, man. We've been going like this forever. This guy keeps saying the next block, next block, next block. We catch the bus, next block.
See the bus up there.
Okay. Better be there, Leo. I can't take this no more. Alright, Singles Kitchen. Stay tuned. It's your boy, man. Finally made it to the bus. Look how they dry their clothes, you know, in the bicycles. Alright, this is what we got here. This is the menu. Let me show you guys. The halal meat. We're gonna make some beef stew up there. Some red sauce beef stew. Over here we got some fish. We're gonna fry those fish, tilapia. Very good. We're gonna make some salad. Here I got some black beans. This is already pre-made, so this one is easy to make. There you go. And we have chapati to eat the black beans. Let's get to work. Alright. Singles Kitchen, here we go.
Finland edition.
We are prepping. I'm prepping the beef stew, and sous chef Leo is prepping the black beans. And very soon we shall be ready. Stay tuned.
And remember to subscribe.
Yeah. Yeah, beans, black beans now. You see the meat? Beef stew is ready. Just do the black beans. I'm about to fry. I'm gonna fry this, and then we make some Spanish rice. And then we shall be good. And then chapati. And we're good to go. You ready?
I'm ready. Hell yeah.
There you go, fish is frying. Rice is ready. Beans is ready. And the beef stew is ready. We're just waiting for this. And we eat good.
All right.
Nobody's camera shy here, right? Let's eat, please. Hey! How's the food?
Tasting so good.
Guys, this makes me happy, man. This really makes me happy.
Makes
I love serving people. It makes me happy. I love serving people.
You make me happy.
You're the greatest joy in our life.
Nah, this is good. Enjoy. Bon appétit. You say merci. Bon appétit.
Merci.
Yeah. Merci. I'm sure you know about this. That's it. All right. These are my friends right here. Who do you have here? What's your name?
Jonna.
Yeah.
Jonna and
Two of us. Hello.
two of us.
Yeah.
Two of
Hello.
us. There
Yeah.
goes Thomas.
I don't know. Sorry, friends in Los Angeles. I'm kind of trying right now, but
It's okay. You don't have to be sorry. What was your favorite dish of the food? What was your favorite?
everything.
Everything.
Everything
You
you
didn't have like a.
No, everything you
Uh-huh.
made. It's my like. It was so fucking amazing.
Uh-huh.
Everything you made. It was so.
How about you? What was your favorite? What was
I
your
like
favorite?
all of them, but especially I like
Yeah.
the rice and the meat.
Nice.
The
Thank you.
food
Yeah.
of the meat, it was
Yeah.
amazing.
Yes. Good. Thank you very much, man. Tulia. What was your favorite?
The meat was so good.
Yeah, the meat. That was your
Yes.
favorite. The climax. How you
Yes.
doing? How you been?
Good.
Yeah. How you like Tampere?
Very good.
Yeah.
The cows are following.
Hello. Who do you have here?
Oh, thank you for the food.
Oh, that's good.
Thank you.
What was your favorite?
Everything.
Come on, everybody keeps saying everything. You gotta choose one. Choose one. Ah, okay. The beef stew. The beef stew was good.
Yep.
All right. What's good in Tampere? Why you like Tampere?
Calm and quiet and beautiful.
You know what I
And
think?
our yard is the best.
There you go.
I'm
Something
from
better.
Tampere originally,
But
I just ended up here.
but-
I think it's nicer than Helsinki because it's more quiet. I like nature most, so that's why I choose Tampere.
Thank you
But I
very
like
much.
Helsinki also. Yeah.
That's good.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm glad- Big man, this is Abdul from Morocco.
Hello.
We in Finland representing Africa. What's good? What did you like about the food? What was your favorite?
Okay, generally the food was so good.
Okay.
Like all the places that they are tasting, they have spices. They are so good. And what I like so much is the meat and the fish. It's
Everybody keeps saying the meat, fish, beautiful.
so
Where you going?
Benin. Moroccan way, Benin.
Benin, Morocco. We're coming your way. What is this game called?
Milk.
Milk. Can you explain to us? Look at it. Yes.
You throw
Uh huh.
a long stick and whatever number
Uh-huh.
you get, there's numbers to 12. Whatever number you get, that many points you get.
Okay.
And in the end, the game ends when all of these are have fallen,
Go down.
and then you count how many points you have to get.
Okay. Whichever stick that you put down.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Hey, I'm here. This guy is stylish. I love his style.
Oh, thank
I
you.
really love his style.
Okay.
It just look cool. I don't know. It just look cool.
Yeah, I know.
Very cool.
Yeah, I know.
Something about it. This guy too. I love his glasses. Look how cool it looks.
Thank you.
It looks like somebody who, tomorrow is gonna invent something new.
Yeah, so like the videos where you travel and they show different like things and you know.
Okay.
Oh, I need to show one thing. One thing. It's licorice.
What is this?
Licorice.
Licorice. How does it taste?
Sweetie and a little bit salty.
So a little bit salty. It's called licorice. Alright.
Sä et oo nuori.
Ready to lose.
Winner.
Oh, shoot.
What's your name? Samuel. This is Samuel. What was your favorite part of the food?
I like the beef and rice.
Beef. Everybody keeps saying beef. That's good. That's good. That's good to hear, man.
That was
Are you from Tampere?
No, I'm from northern Finland.
Northern. Where?
I'm
northern?
from Iisalmi.
East side. That's way in the north. Like next to what you call it? Next past Oulu?
No.
Before Oulu.
Yeah.
The coolest guy on earth right here. What was your favorite dish?
Favorite part of the food. It's really hard to say because it all was fantastic. Everything was fantastic and very like much appreciated.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And I didn't eat much today before even coming here. And when I came here, and you told me like that it's gonna be good, and you just have to wait. And I felt like, yeah, this guy knows cooking. This guy loves food, so
Yes.
I trust it. It's gonna be great. So
Is it-
I wasn't surprised, but I was still surprised because of the sauce with the meat, and the potatoes that have been marinated there for very long.
Thank you, sir.
They felt so good.
Thank you.
Felt so good.
Thank you.
And fish was also great, and the salad, and everything.
Thank
Quite
you very
much
much.
everything was
Thank you.
so.
Very much. And tell the people your name again.
I'm Veikko.
Weiko.
Yeah.
There you go, man. The coolest guy on earth. Thank you. Sengo's Kitchen, we in the house. Boom. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Uncle Koppel,
Hi guys.
the one and the only one. This is
Welcome.
family. This is my sister.
Always welcome.
I just want to ask you, what was your favorite dish?
I have definitely a favorite.
Which one is it?
Chapati with the meat sauce. I can dip it and it's like packed with flavor. Masengo.
Thank you. Hey, with that being said, this is Yeko.
We will. Hey, let's see Yakuko here.
Okay. Yeko wanna show us something. Alright. You wanna show us it go? Yes. Yeko. Yes, this is the man. This is my friend right here, my neighbor. Next to where I live. Good man. Alright.
Welcome
Okay.
to Finland.
Yes, sir. Welcome to Finland. With that being said, thank you guys for hanging out with me. I'm out. I see you to the next episode. Please subscribe, Sengo's Kitchen. Hey guys, can you guys say goodbye? Bye. Bye. Hey. Bye. Till next time.